Welcome to the next manifestation technique, that is pillow manifestation method. Now, what is it? A pillow manifestation method is a very powerful, very simple manifestation technique where you're going to write your desire on a piece of paper and place it under your pillow before you're sleeping. And your subconscious mind absorbs this intention while you sleep, helping you align your manifestations effortlessly. Now, how you're going to do it? Take a piece of paper, write down your desire in the present tense, right? For example, I'm so grateful for my dream job with an amazing salary. If possible, be very particular where you're working and what is the salary. Then fold this paper, place it under your pillow, or you can place it inside the pillow cover. And as you lie down, just close your eyes and visualize your desire as if it has already happened. Feel the excitement, joy, and gratitude. Right? Repeat a simple affirmation in your mind as if it is done. Okay. Once you say your affirmation, say it is done. My desires are manifesting until you fall asleep. Okay. So you can keep this paper under your pillow itself for at least 7 nights or at least 11 nights, and or you until you feel aligned with your manifestation. So what you're going to do is every night you're going to take this shit before you go to bed, read it, feel the joy, then fold it, keep it under your pillow, and go to bed. Okay. So now, again, why again this works? Because your subconscious mind is most active while you sleep, while you're asleep. So this makes it easier to observe and reinforce your desires. You might see that sometimes you might see a horror movie and you go to bed and you wake up with weird dreams, right? The last thing that you think of is something that you even dream about. So why not do it for our manifestations? When you read this for the last time, your manifestation is at the forefront of your mind, strengthening your beliefs. It enhances relaxation and it helps you trust in the manifestation process. So I'm going to give you a tip here. Start with one one goal. Okay. And do this for that one particular goal till you achieve it. If you feel that you have multiple goals, you can definitely use different papers, different sheets. Write it, and just pair it with gratitude, like thank the universe for already giving you what you already have, and read it. If you have two goals, take each sheet, read it, feel the excitement, feel the gratitude, feel the joy, then keep it under your pillow and just go to bed. Okay. I will see you in the next one.